Hello guys and welcome to my channel. It's your boy LQ, also known as Lely. Today I'm going to be unboxing some FTP that I bought a while ago, and due to Corona it only came now. Let's get into the first order. Yeah, I can't lie, I kind of flopped opening it with my hands, so I had to go get a knife in it. Oh yeah, I remember this. So this is the Kodone X FTP T. T's pretty basic, you know, standard FTP logo with the Kodone spin on it. Yeah. Can tell quality of this. I think this was like $36 or something like that. Fairly good quality, can't complain. Oh. I like this piece, this is my favorite piece. So you know, playing back on this one, but get a zoom up on the car. But you know, fuck 12, because you know, we don't fuck with 12 out here. Fuck the population T. I think this is an extra large. Oh yeah, the OG grey hoodie that he re-released recently. You know, I don't own grey hoodies, so it's like I just had to cop one. And look at that on the back. See that? See that? It says, I think it says 10th anniversary. You can't see it. Oh, that's like a very nice deal. We'll just cut that out. Don't watch that. Don't watch that. But yeah, FTP, fuck the population, OG hoodie. What size is this? This is actually really big. This is fucking massive. Oh shit. I don't even know why I brought this tee. It's an XL, too big for me. I think this is called the FTP flower tee. Yeah, it's got 2 kids on it. Pretty basic, standard tee. But you know what? If a girl wears this as a dress, it'd be pretty nice, can't lie. Favorite t-shirt from the recent drop. So this is, I think it's called a Rangers tee, or shooting range tee. It's got a little graphic there, and then on the back, it's got that signature big FTP fuck off logo with what they stand for, pretty much violence and that. So yeah, this is the FTP Lyrical Lemonade collab. Well, that came out like 3 months ago. I'm not really a fan, but I only brought it because it's like a piece of history, you know, because you're not gonna really see them do a collab like this again in the near future. Got it in black as well. Yeah, same graphic on the back, same graphic on the front. Pretty plain, basic, but you know, I could pull that off in a very nice outfit. Well, that's a scam, but my lemonade, I guess, came in a destroyed box. Not really impressed about that, but you know, what can you do? I don't know if I want to drink this or if I should keep it. It's even got a little FTP mascot on it. That can stay there. Then we got another hoodie. It's the same That's the one, the graphics on the t-shirt, plain, pretty basic, lyrical lemonade. Print quality, it's not the best, but it will hold. No, big graphic on the back. And now, my favorite package, which I had to open earlier because I didn't know that this was coming, but my favorite piece, favorite accessory from FTP. Big buckle baseball bat. Metal as well. Oof. Yeah. Can do a lot with this. Can do a lot with this. You'll see later. '10-year anniversary beanie. Don't really wear hats, but now that my hair's braided, could potentially be seeing me in this a lot soon. I thought I got on the other one. Oh. Another classic FTP logo design tee. Back when he had to change it to, he had to reverse fuck because his school wouldn't let children walk around with t-shirts that said fuck. So that's why the logo's like that on this. You know, got an afro, have to get the afro comb. You know, one time, have to show them that accessories like these are very valuable to black people, and you know, it's just beautiful. And my favorite part of the drop, FTP trousers. Waterproof. I need the hoodie. Probably gonna buy it for resale, like £180. But yeah.
No, right. We stay strapped though. I'm in LA with an army. Yeah. Shoot at your army. Yeah. Look at Kanye. Grew up on Kanye. Now I'm on my whole new wave. Life of record a movie. We call it a movie. Cameras round my face every time I fucking move it. This bitch tryna move me. A fashion week at Subi. Yeah. How much you go? I go so low. I go that bitch. Ooh, oh. Yeah, she a hoe. She flow. I go the flow that she wanna know. Baby, I'm in love with you. Baby, yeah, you make me feel so comfortable. Baby, I'm trusting you. Ay. That's why I fucks with you. Ay. Baby, calling me sexy. Just let me breathe. Baby, calling me sexy. No wonder why she's texting me. Proud of you, proud of me. I'ma get that green. I'ma fuck your team. Number 9, toss the shoe in the jeans. I'ma get that lean, shit I lean.
Evil eye, yeah, what you mean?